Jemena services 330,000 customers in its network, varying across residential, commercial and industrial users.
Vicinity Centres is one of Australia's leading retail property management groups. We have 60 plus shopping centres under management. 60% of Australians live 30 minutes from one of our centres, and we own the iconic Chadstone fashion capital, which is considered one of the top 5 malls in the world. Vicinity decided to install solar at Roxburgh and Broadmeadows because our purpose is really to enrich communities that we're in. And what renewable energy does, it provides us with a more sustainable centre, and we actually are creating energy resilience in the communities that we operate in.
So at the start of the process, Renee and her team presented to Jemena their plans to put solar on the rooftops of Broadmeadows Central and Roxburgh Village shopping centres.
We did a feasibility assessment on the sites. They offered really good returns because they've got large roofs that are structurally sound, good irradiance, and it would make such a difference to our energy use here at the centre. So at Roxburgh, we've installed 1.6 megawatts of solar, which is equivalent to 4,000 panels. And if you laid them end to end, it's 8 kilometres. And we are making enough clean, renewable energy to power 330 homes a year.
An important part of their process is the grid connection. Solar is an important part of the energy mix, and a lot of it's coming from behind the meter. Large customers such as Vicinity are doing their own bit for the renewable cause. That's where we come in.
They dealt with us in a really collaborative way, very customers focused, made the connection process really smooth. We see Jemena as really forward-thinking and an innovative business. We share many traits with them, and we are always looking for organisations that we can partner with that wish to trial innovative energy technologies, and we see Jemena as one of those companies to work with again in the future.